Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be recreating a look that I've done before. Kind of green smoky, green shimmery, way out of my comfort zone, and my best friend was like, do it again. I'm going to try to remember how I did it because it's been over a year, but that's what I'm going to do today, and let's get into the video. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. I know a lot of you use this. I know a lot of you love it. I love it myself. And then I'm going to be using her mini palette with all the green colors. And first I'm going to prime my eyelids with the Smashbox Lid Primer. And I love this lid primer because it has a tint to it. So if you have very veiny looking eyelids, or you just want to have it be the same, like a smooth canvas, this is the way to go. I like this one and I like the Norse one, but I like this one more because of the tint. Now I'm going to get just any kind of brush really and set that. Let's see. I'm gonna go in this palette and use Buff It Out to set my lid. Because if you don't, it will crease. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in and use this color right here as my transition shade into the crease. Nope, wrong way. And I'm going to put it in my crease, like I've said, past 3 times. Just like so. Now I don't want to do it too heavy. I'm just going to give it like a real light transition color, just to kind of offset it just a smidge, but not much. Now I'm going to go in the mini palette and get the shade called Inside Job. I'm just going to dabble my blending brush into it. You don't need a lot. It's very pigmented. Don't do a lot. I'm just going to put it in there. Like so. And blend it. And with these shades, sometimes like whenever you keep blending and keep blending and keep blending, it starts to do what you want it to do. You just gotta be patient with it. I wish my eyes would just be my brand. Okay, now this is what we're working with. And now I'm going to go back in with the Jaclyn Hill palette and use this color. I'm gonna go in with my little M518 Morphe brush. It's just kind of a little taper brush that can really get precise into the crease. So I'm gonna pick that up very lightly. I need a mirror. And just dab it on top of that color right there. And just do it in the crease. And darken it up a little bit, like that. And don't worry about it getting messy all over your face because we don't have foundation on. We don't have anything like that. It can mess up, so you are a-okay. Look at you, even though I'm not gonna be here. Aww. Ooh, those are pretty. Yay! You can just sit right there. What do you think my eye looks so far? You like it? I'm not joking. Is it blue? It's green. Okay. Now how am I supposed to keep these alive over while we're gone? You bring it. Well, we are back with a new backdrop. And my husband helped me. And he came and brought me some flowers. And Starbucks green tea. Yes, he's the best. Back to the eye look. Now I'm going to finish putting this green shade on my lid. On my lid. What am I saying? My eyes. And bring it. Now I'm gonna go back in with this brush and I'm just gonna take what's on there and blend it. Okay, now I'm gonna use the green shimmer shade right here, and it is called Tricky. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this flat brush and put it in there. Put it in the center of my eyelid. I'll do this one first. I'll do this side. Let me wipe away some of the fallout. Okay, now I'm gonna go back in with the same brush and I'm gonna blend it. Then I'm going to, I think I'm wanting to put just like a little bit of gold on the on the lid. So I'm gonna get a different flat brush, and I'm gonna go in what I did is I went in to this shade right above the green shimmer, so I'm using both of these right here. Yeah, that's pretty. So I'm gonna get a clean brush and I'm just gonna blend it. Now I'm gonna go back in with the really dark green shade and just kind of deepen it up even more. Because sometimes when you blend and blend and blend, it'll take away from that shade. Now I'm gonna go back in with the very first shade that we used as a transition shade right here, and I'm gonna blend out the outer part just to make sure that we've got everything blended. Here we go. Now I'm going to get a little flat brush and I'm going to go in to the black and I'm just going to put it on my kind of like eyeliner, but not too much, if that makes any sense. Okay, I'm going to put on some mascara. Now that we've got mascara on, I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face off camera. We're going to come back and we're going to do the bottom, so be right back. Okay, now that I have my full face on, I went in and I used the, on the top for it, the Milani foundation and conceal. Then I went in and used my Tarte Shape Tape concealer. I used the Airspun powder, butter bronzer, the Too Faced blush duo, and I used Casey Holmes highlighter palette in gold. And so this is what I'm looking like right now. And my lip color is the Sephora lip. It is a cream lip stain in Snoo. It's literally Snoo. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my lower lash line, and I'm going to pick up the same, or the flat brush that I used earlier, and I'm going to go in that dark green shade, and I'm just going to press it up against my lower lash line. Now I'm going to get this smudge brush and go in with the first shade that we used as a transition shade, and I'm going to smudge it out. I'm gonna try something. We're just trying here. I'm gonna get that black shade and I'm gonna go in with the same flat brush, and I'm gonna put it on my waterline. Just a little bit. Like so. Yay! And now that we're done with that, I'm going to put mascara on my bottom lash line with the Rimmel London Wonderlux Volume Mascara. And it has a tip like this. It's real easy to get your bottom lashes. I'm going to pick up the Holmes highlighter palette in gold, and I'm gonna put the gold right in the inner corner. So I'm gonna pick up this flat brush and I'm gonna get that middle shade right here, and I'm just gonna put it in that inner corner. You see that? Okay guys, that is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Hit that post notification button, and I will see you in my next video.